Welcome back to Michael's Kitchen, and tonight we have a full Packer brisket. So, for today's video, you guys know on our channel we already have burnt ends, which was the brisket point. We also have a brisket flat video, which has got like 15,000 views. And now we have a full Packer brisket. But this one's special because, you guys may not know this, Pops is one of 11. One of 11 kids. So we have a lot of cousins. Yes? Or I have a lot of cousins. So we were raised in New York, and we have a lot of cousins, and half the family was here at the beginning, half the family came afterwards. So we had Rosie here. I was raised with Rosanna, Grace, Arlene, Patricio, Susie, Carlos, who passed away, Giovanni. So we have a lot of the nucleus. Then we had other ones that came along, which is Connie, Yudi, Irosi, Mary. Yeah. And then we had Abed's family came over. So anyways, the ones that we raised with were the special ones. So of that group was Rosie and Grace. And Grace, I remember, fue Annie, papi, fue Annie. Anyways. So today's video is special because we have some guests here. Who's gonna come and get on the camera and say hello?
Yeah, you guys go over there. Yeah, no. All of you.
Get on over here. We'll turn the camera over there.
Boy, babe, good to see you in that shop.
So we have Jasmine.
Hi.
David. And if you guys remember, we had our video for our New York vlog with the wheels fell off. And there's a video. There's a picture of Jasmine. And there's Rosanna.
I'm here. I'm hiding behind the scenes.
There she is.
So we'll get the brisket ready. This is a full overnight cook. You'll see all that, but just wanted to make sure you guys knew who was here.
Can't wait. 12 hours. Here we go. Countdown.
So got the brisket out of the package. It's a 12 pound. Yeah, it's a big one. Rosanna said it's large. Now we're gonna trim it. So we'll go ahead and get trimmed. I've already started the trimming process before we get it coated. So that's it for now. We are done trimming. It was a lot. Rosanna was surprised how much we trimmed. Now we'll get the rub on. We are gonna go on the Traeger. We're gonna go fat cap down, strictly to make it prettier for Rosanna and David and impress them with our smoke ring quality. If not, I would do fat cap up, but I'm gonna make it so they can see the smoke ring. So I'm gonna go half gospel, half holy cow. So we can compete with Buc-ee's. I didn't say that. The reason we're doing this is because the last time Rosie was here in the middle of winter, she had Buc-ee's and she liked the brisket. And she came back on this little surprise trip, and we are going to make a better brisket than Buc-ee's.
Is he German? Did she say trans brisket? I can't get it. Oh, you want me to light outside, right? No, come on, go ahead. Focus on making a mess. Not because I'm putting it in a piece, but that's fine. We always clean.
We're outside. Even David made it outside.
What's up, guys? I'm here all the way from New York City. About to
smoke.
We're about to smoke this
Brisket
tomorrow about 1 o'clock in the afternoon, maybe 11, 12, something like that. I'm gonna taste this. I can't wait. Mike, take it away.
So again, we're gonna go fat cap down, 180 degrees.
Fat cap down. Don't forget that, guys. No idea what that is, but that looks yummy already.
And we're not touching this entire time. Dave's right.
So wait, we're gonna close this lid now. We're not gonna open it till when?
10 hours at least.
10 hours from now, guys.
And then we'll wrap it.
Make sure you subscribe. Don't forget that. It's very important.
See you guys in the morning.
Peace.
So it's been 12 hours.
Yes.
It's been hovering all night at 180 degrees. About to pull it off. Look at the bark on that. And it shrank a lot.
It's still big.
On to our next steps. We're back inside and it's time to wrap. So we're taking our gorgeous brisket. I got some butcher paper. And we're gonna wrap this tight like Christmas. Then we'll probe it. Actually, I'll do this. I'm gonna go back on the smoker till it hits 203. So I'll probe it now and you guys will see us back outside. So we set our temperature. I'm going into the point. I wanna go in the middle, so I'm going here. And we are currently at 150. So we got a few more to go. We're gonna crank up the Traeger to 250 degrees and we'll get there soon in time for lunch or maybe dinner. To the team we go, guys. Here we go. Leaving space for something else we're cooking. We'll go here. I'm guessing 4 more hours, but we'll let you know when we get there. It made 201 degrees, so we're ready. We're ready to pull this out. And it's been a long day. Rosanna and Dave and Jasmine have been patient, but the brisket's done. So we'll get this out and we're gonna let it rest. Now we let it rest till the temperature gets to 160. Yes, I'm supposed to put it in a cooler and rest, but I think everyone here is hungry and it's time to eat. So we're gonna let it rest and we'll slice them soon. So Dave can attest, we started at 1:25 a.m. last night. It's now 7:46. We smoked unwrapped for 12 hours, wrapped for quite a few hours, rested. Rosanna said, we're really resting? Yes, we're resting. Jasmine said, I'm a smidge hungry, so it's time to eat. So I'll unwrap, hopefully it looks good. We haven't seen it since then, right?
No.
It's warm, that's why I'm doing this. Just to cheat for Rosanna. And Triple M's gonna get mad.
Dun-dun-dun.
Oh, that's juicy. Oh, that's hot. That's hot. That's warm. I'll go ahead and slice so you guys can see, which is against the grain, which this is gonna be a throw-out piece because it's gonna be too thin. But this is our throw-out piece so you guys can see.
Wow.
How's that, Dave? And so you guys can see, is that tender?
Wow. Yeah.
And hopefully you guys can see the smoke ring on there.
Oh yeah. Perfection.
No, Dave? Yeah. So I'll slice 1 or 2 more pieces and then we'll see if Dave and Rosanna, because she was shy last night, are shy enough to taste on camera.
Oh wait. Nope.
I love how quickly you get up. Very important.
Only time he gets up is for two things, right, Rosie? Eating
And
and swimming.
look, he's gonna go do his hair. Wow, Mike, you burning yourself.
Oh, it's fine. Look how it jiggle. Jasmine, you say you were hungry, Jasmine?
Oh, yeah.
And this is if you ever go to a barbecue joint, this is the lean, this is the fatty. So the flat and the point, this is where they get the burnt ends from. So I'll go ahead and slice some of the fatty for Rosie. Is that looking okay, Rosie?
Holy cow. This was the reason I wanted to go to smoke.
And again, remember I told you guys earlier in the video, this is because Rosanna had Buc-ee's and we wanted to see if we could make moist brisket at home. So come taste, don't be shy, guys. Come, Rosie, don't be shy. She'll cut all this off.
18 hours, right?
18 hours.
17
Do you want me to
hours, maybe.
This is the lean, this is the moist. So you can slice it, you can cut it. Do not be shy.
I want to try the moist.
You want to try the moist?
No, but here's
You want a different knife?
No.
Just tear it apart, dude. And remember, I took off a lot of the fat. Rosetta, mira, no crece.
Man,
Trying to be shy?
I was trying to keep it
Good.
Good? Honestly. I'll taste.
wow.
But
Unbelievable. So good, Mike.
¿Está bueno?
Oh yeah. You taste the different colors.
Better than Buc-ee's?
Hell yeah.
Guys, if you like the video. Comment down below if you want to try or make. Subscribe for more. That said, a buen tiempo.
Buen tiempo.
please.
Bye, guys. See you next Friday.